Hello everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to connect Zammad with n8n, starting from creating an access token in Zammad and then using it to connect to n8n. This connection allows you to automate tasks like creating tickets or retrieving information without manual effort. First, we need to generate an access token in Zammad. This token is used to authenticate n8n when it talks to Zammad's API. To begin, log into your Zammad instance with your admin account. Once logged in, look for your profile icon, usually found at the bottom left corner of the screen, and click on it. Choose the profile option to open your user settings. Inside your profile, there should be a tab called Token Access. If you do not see this tab, you might need to check that Token Access is enabled in the system settings. To do this, go to the admin area, navigate to System Settings and find the API section. Make sure the option for Token Access is turned on. Assuming Token Access is available, go back to your profile's Token Access tab. Here, click the button to create a new token. You will be asked to name the token, so give it a clear name like n8n integration so you can recognize it later. You can also set permissions for this token depending on what you want n8n to do. For most use cases, the token will need permissions related to tickets and users, so select the appropriate ones. After you finish setting this up, click Create. The token will be generated and displayed only once, so copy it right away and save it somewhere safe. This token is like a password for n8n to access your Zammad data, so keep it secure. With the token ready, we can now switch to n8n. Open your n8n instance and start a new workflow. To connect to Zammad, click the plus button to add a new node. In the node search box, type Zammad. You will see the Zammad node appear in the list. Click to add this node to your workflow canvas. Click on the Zammad node to open its settings. The first thing you need to do is set up the credentials to connect to your Zammad instance. In the Credentials drop-down, select Create New. You will see fields asking for your Zammad domain and the access token. In the domain field, enter the full URL where your Zammad is hosted. This should include the HTTPS prefix and your domain name. In the access token field, paste the token you created earlier in Zammad. After filling in the details, save the credentials. Now the node is ready to communicate with your Zammad system. You can select what you want the node to do. For example, select the resource Ticket and the operation Create if you want to create new tickets. You will then see fields where you can fill in the ticket details, such as title, group ID, customer ID, and article information like subject and body. Fill these fields with either static text or dynamic data from previous nodes. Once everything is set up, click Execute Node. If your credentials and details are correct, n8n will send a request to Zammad, creating a new ticket or performing the chosen operation. You can confirm this by checking your Zammad dashboard to see the changes. That's how you create an access token in Zammad and connect it to n8n to start automating your support workflows easily.